The field of medicine in general is changing really in a big way. We're moving away from that model where whatever the doctor says is best, and now I think that there's a much more profound understanding of the importance of involving the patient at every step along the process. I practice patient-centered care by involving the patients very early on in the process. It's very important to make sure that patients are comfortable asking all the questions that they have to make sure that we're setting expectations appropriately. My personal goals as a doctor in terms of patient care is really ensuring that patients understand that I am there for them. It's important for them to understand that I see their willingness to accept me into their lives as a real honor and as a real privilege. And part of that is ensuring that they understand that I'm there to answer any questions that they have at any point. As a surgeon, that process begins early on when I see patients in initial consultation, when I'm discussing my recommendations for surgery, and in terms of addressing their concerns about their postoperative recovery, which is important. So really my goal is to make sure the patients understand that I'm in their corner at all times. There's been a real shift to more minimally invasive surgery and these days now robotic surgery, especially in general surgery, which is new. And I think that provides patients with significant benefits in terms of their postoperative recovery and in terms of the types of operations that we can offer to patients. So I'd like my patients to know that I'm really here for them. Whether or not I'm seeing these patients in the emergency department where the environment is a little bit more stressful for everyone involved, as opposed to seeing these patients in my office. At the end of the day, when I see a patient, I'm 100% focused on their concerns and focused on answering their questions. Patients should understand that I'm available to them at any time of the day or night. I understand how important it is for them to have their questions answered. I'd like them to know that I'm there for them at any point. My name is Dr. Ben Schwab, and I'm a general surgeon with John Muir Health.